Hello and welcome to our channel, What is and How to. Let me ask you something. Have you ever wondered how your smart speaker knows what song you want to play, how your fitness watch tracks your steps, or how your fridge can tell you when you're running low on milk? It almost feels like technology has developed a mind of its own, right? Well, that's not magic. It's something called the Internet of Things, or IoT. And today we're going to explore what IoT really is, how it works, and most importantly, why it matters for you, your home, and even the future of entire industries. 1. What IoT really means. At its simplest, the Internet of Things is about connecting everyday objects, things we use daily, to the Internet so they can collect, share, and act on data. Think of your home appliances, your car, even your city streetlights. Instead of working in isolation, IoT lets them talk to each other and to us. For example, your smartwatch doesn't just count steps, it sends the data to your phone analyzes it, and sometimes even shares it with your doctor. This network of connected devices is what makes IoT so powerful. It turns ordinary objects into smart, data-driven tools that make life more convenient, efficient, and even safer. 2. The technology behind IoT. Now, how does IoT actually work? It's not magic. It's a chain of technologies working together. First, you have sensors, tiny devices that detect things like temperature, movement, sound, or pressure. Next, those sensors connect to the internet through Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even 5G networks. Once the data is online, it's sent to cloud platforms where it's processed, analyzed, and sometimes even acted upon automatically. Finally, the results are sent back to the user, maybe through an app notification, a voice assistant, or even by adjusting the device itself. This seamless loop of sensing, sending, analyzing, and acting is the backbone of IoT, and it happens in real time, often without us even noticing. 3. Smart homes. The most familiar example. If you've ever used a smart doorbell, thermostat, or voice assistant like Alexa or Google Home, then congratulations, you're already living with IoT. Smart homes are perhaps the most visible example of this technology. Imagine waking up and your blinds automatically open, your coffee machine starts brewing, and your favorite morning playlist begins, all triggered by your alarm clock. It sounds futuristic, but it's already possible today. Beyond convenience, smart homes can also improve safety with security cameras and locks, and even save money by optimizing energy use. For many people, this is where IoT feels the most personal. It turns a regular house into a responsive, intelligent space that adjusts to your lifestyle. Number 4, IoT in healthcare. Perhaps one of the most life-changing impacts of IoT is in healthcare. Imagine a patient with a heart condition wearing a smart monitor that tracks their heart rate 24/7. If something unusual happens, the device can instantly alert their doctor, even before the patient realizes something is wrong. For elderly people, IoT devices can monitor falls, medication schedules, or even daily movements, giving families peace of mind. In hospitals, connected equipment ensures that critical devices like ventilators are monitored in real time, reducing errors and saving lives. In short, IoT transforms healthcare from reactive, treating patients after problems happen, to proactive, where doctors can prevent problems before they become emergencies. 5. IoT and business efficiency. IoT isn't just about homes and hospitals, it's transforming businesses too. Think about a factory. IoT sensors on machines can detect wear and tear, predict when a part will break, and schedule maintenance before the machine fails. This saves time, money, and prevents costly shutdowns. In retail, IoT helps track inventory in real time, ensuring shelves are always stocked and customers get what they need. In logistics, smart trackers monitor goods in transit, making sure products arrive on time and in good condition. For businesses, IoT means lower costs, higher efficiency, and a competitive edge in a fast-changing world. 6. IoT in smart cities. Now take IoT to a larger scale, entire cities. Smart cities use IoT to improve urban life. Streetlights with motion sensors dim when no one's around, saving energy. Trash bins alert the city when they're full, so garbage trucks only go where needed. Traffic lights adjust based on real-time car flow, reducing jams and saving fuel. Even air quality sensors track pollution, helping city planners create healthier environments. Imagine a city that doesn't just run, it thinks, adapts, and responds to its people. That's the promise of IoT at the urban level, and many cities worldwide are already experimenting with it. 7. The security challenge. But with great technology comes great responsibility. The truth is, IoT also comes with risks. The more devices connected, the more vulnerable they are to cyber attacks. Imagine a hacker not just stealing your data, but unlocking your smart door or shutting down a hospital's monitoring system. Scary, right? That's why cybersecurity is one of the biggest challenges for IoT. Companies are working hard to create stronger encryption, better authentication, and stricter privacy protections. Still, it's something we must always be cautious about because the convenience of IoT should never come at the cost of our safety. 8. The future of IoT. So, where is all this heading? Experts believe the number of IoT devices will skyrocket into the tens of billions within the next few years. We're talking about fully automated factories, self-driving cars communicating with each other, farms that water themselves based on soil sensors, and homes that learn our habits better than we know ourselves. The line between the physical and digital world will blur even further, and IoT will be at the heart of it. But the future also depends on how responsibly we use it, balancing convenience with privacy, efficiency with security, and progress with ethics. One thing is certain, IoT isn't just a trend, it's the backbone of the next technological revolution. Now, 9, IoT and our everyday lives. At the end of the day, the real magic of IoT isn't in factories or futuristic cities. It's in the little moments of our daily lives. Think about parents being able to check in on their kids through a smart camera while at work, or an elderly person feeling safer because their home alerts caregivers if something goes wrong. Even something as simple as your car telling you there's traffic ahead or your fridge reminding you to buy eggs makes life smoother and less stressful. These aren't just gadgets, they're bridges between people, technology, and comfort. And that's the Internet of Things. What it is, how it works, and how it's shaping our homes, our health, our businesses, and even our cities. It's exciting, it's powerful, and yes, it's a little intimidating too. But what do you think? Do you see IoT as a tool that will make our lives better, or do you worry about privacy and security risks? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful breakdowns right here on What Is and How To.